Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friends, welcome to Algebra 1. In this lesson you will learn about variables, constants and expressions. These are fundamental concepts of algebra. After watching this video, you should be able to evaluate an expression. You're going to learn about constants, variables, operations, expressions, type of expressions and evaluating expressions. Constants are values that never change. These are fixed values, sometimes called mathematical constants. Sometimes a letter is used, such as A, B, C, to show constant value. Constant values have different names depending on where they appear in an expression. For example, in this expression, 2x plus 5, 2 is coefficient of x term and 5 is the constant term. Coefficient is a number multiplied with a variable. It is a constant value that remains fixed. Also, a coefficient is a known quantity, however, variable is unknown value. Here are some examples of famous constants that you may already know. Pi. Its value is 3.14159265 and so on. I square, which is called iota, is a complex number whose value is -1. Euler constant E, its value is 2.71828. Variables are like placeholders. They can hold any value, but we don't know unless we decide a value for that variable in the expression. And that's why variables are called unknowns. You use letters like X or Y for variables. You can use any other letter, but mathematicians have used them in the past. So we simply follow the convention. Suppose you are given an expression x minus 4. In this expression, you can put any value for x. If x is equal to 5, replace x with 5 in the expression and 5 minus 4 is 1. Similarly, if x is equal to 8, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So the value of expression depends on the value of variables. In the following equation, 7 minus a equals 5. If a is equal to 1, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, which is not equal to 5. If a is equal to 2, which is 7 minus 2, gives us 5, and we have 5 on both sides. There is only one value for x that can solve this equation. Arithmetic operations are performed on variables and constants. In the expression 3x minus 5, the minus or subtraction is the arithmetic operation. If we provide a value for x, then the expression will evaluate to a single value as a result of this operation. Arithmetic operations are something to be performed on variables and constants, which will give us some result. It may be a number or another expression. There are 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If a is and b are two numbers, then addition is a plus b, which add both a and b. If a and b are two numbers, then subtraction is the difference between a and b. Multiplication of two numbers is adding variable a b times. So we write a into b, and division is distributing a b times. English words that has same meaning for addition are sum of a and b and a increased by b. Word for subtraction is difference between a and b. Multiplication is product of a and b, and word for division is partition a in b groups or distribute a in b groups. Expressions consist three elements: constants, variables, and operations. Each variable or constant separated by operation is called a term. In the expression 6u minus 4 plus 3x, there are three terms: 6u, 4, and 3x. All expression evaluate to a single value or to reduce to a simple form. If any expression that only has constants, we call it numeric expression, and expression that has at least one variable, we call it algebraic expression. For example, 10 minus 6 only constants, so it is a numeric constant or expression. 4x plus 3 has only one variable, therefore it is a algebraic expression. We evaluate any given expression in two different ways. If the expression is numeric or value for variable is given in algebraic expression, then you will get a single value after evaluating the expression. If the expression is pure algebraic, then you can simplify the expression into smaller reduced form. Evaluate 22 minus 3 plus 4. Given expression is numeric. So 22 minus 3 plus 4 gives us 19 plus 4, which is 23. If x is equal to 9, evaluate x minus 5. This expression like numeric expression because the value of x is given. So x minus 5 equals 9 minus 5 equals 4. Simplify the expression 2x plus 4x plus 4 plus 5. This is an algebraic expression. In this type of expression, simply add the like terms. Therefore, 2x plus 4x gives us 6x and 4 plus 5 gives us 9. The reduced form of the expression is 6x plus 9. Let's recap everything. You learned about constant variables which are changing, arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, and division, expressions and their types like numeric expressions or algebraic expressions, and how to evaluate expression into single value or to a reduced form. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.